Welcome to another Alex Geometry Topic instructional video by Mr. Hardy. What we're going to do here is kind of a fun problem, I think. We want to find the shaded area, the area of the figure that's shaded. Okay? So, don't freak out by this if it looks kind of weird. Here's what I want to point out to you. The first thing is, notice that this is a triangle right here, that we have a triangle, okay? And the part that's missing from the triangle is a rectangle, all right? So think of it as that we're just going to cut this out. We're just going to cut this part out. And what's left is the shaded area. So if you think that way, what we can say is the area of the shaded area is equal to the area of the triangle minus, so that's how we're going to cut it out, minus the area of the rectangle. So I use these little subscripts just to kind of communicate. So let's just say that area equals, okay, so what's the area of a triangle? Well, remember that the area of the triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. And the area of a rectangle is just the base times the height of the rectangle. Or you could say length times width. Doesn't matter either way you look at it. Okay, so what's the base? Oh, what's the base of this triangle? Well, it's 3, right? It's 3, and then plus 4 more. So it's 7. Okay? So that would be a 7. And then the height, the height, it didn't give it to us. It would be this amount. So it would be 2 plus 6 more. Okay? So that would be 8, right? 8. You see how I got 8? 2 plus 6. Okay, now we're going to subtract off this part right here. Well, the base is 4 from here to here. Same would be from here to here. It's a rectangle. So 4 times 2. That's simple. Okay, so I'm going to take the 2 over here and divide the 8 by 2. So maybe I'll just do this one more time. So 2 goes into 8 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. And then 4 times 2 is 8. So I get 20. Okay, so we're talking about area, so it would be 20 centimeters squared. That would be the area of this shaded region. Okay, so that's all we're doing. Let's take a look at another one. Here's the area we want to find, the shaded region, but here's a triangle. Now notice that because this is 90 degrees, we could almost redraw the triangle like this. That's a good place to do it. If we redrew the triangle like that, where this is 90 degrees, then the height would be 8 and the base would be 6. Okay, so once again, we have a rectangle, so the area is equal to the area of the, it's the other way around this time, area of the rectangle minus the area of the triangle. Notice up here, it was the area of the triangle minus the area of the rectangle, because we're cutting out the rectangle. But right here, we're cutting out the triangle, right? Think of it as cutting it out. So the area of the rectangle is just 10 times 11 minus 1/2. The base of this triangle is 6 times the height of 8. So this is 110 10 times 11 is 110. Half of 6 is 3, right? 3. 3 times 8 is, if I recall, it should be 24. Okay, so 101 minus 24. See, I have to make that a 9 and that a 10, so I get 6, and 9 take away 2, 7. So I get 76. Area equals 76 centimeters squared. So the shaded area that we're talking about here, this shaded area, is 76 centimeters squared. Okay, I hope that helps. Good luck.